Hello kids. So have you seen yesterday's video? We have written till which alphabet? Capital N. So today from capital N. N for what? Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. After N which alphabet? O. O for owl. O-W-L. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. After O which alphabet? P. P for pen. P-I-N. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. After P which alphabet? Q. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. After Q which alphabet? R. R for rat. Yes, rat. What's the spelling of rat? R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. After R which alphabet? S. S for sun. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. After S which alphabet? T. T for tap. T-A-P. Tap. T-A-P. Tap. After T which alphabet? U. U for unicorn. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Unicorn. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Unicorn. After U which alphabet? V. V for vase. V-A-S-E. Vase. V-A-S-E. Vase. After V which alphabet? W. W for watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. After W which alphabet? X. X for X-ray. X-ray. Yes. X. What's the spelling of X-ray? X-R-A-Y. X-ray. X-R-A-Y. X-ray. After X which alphabet? Y. Y for yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Y-A-K. Yak. After Y which alphabet? Z. Z for yes. Zip. Z-I-P. Zip. Z-I-P. Zip. So you all read this alphabets and write in your notebook. Okay? Have you understood these alphabets and the spellings? What come from the alphabets? Yes or no? I hope you might have understood this. Okay, you just write this in your notebooks.